How to repost someone's story on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Visnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can repost someone else's Instagram story to your story. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide it through. However, first things first, what you'll have to understand is you'll only be able to repost someone's story on Instagram if you have been mentioned on that particular story. For instance, if I open up Instagram here, if I head over to this person's Instagram story here, you can see there is no any option to repost. But if I head over to this users here, then you can see add to your story. You can see he has mentioned me here. So you'll get the, if someone has mentioned you on their story, if you open up the story, you'll get add to your story option. You can tap on it, and then now you can go ahead and add to your story. So this is the way that you can repost someone else's story on Instagram. If they haven't mentioned you, then what you can do is you can simply go ahead and screenshot it and then crop it and add filters and then add it to your story. So this way you can repost someone else's story on Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.